And up next, ladies and gentlemen, in an exclusive roundup of stories from Maharashtra in today's edition of Maharashtra 360.
From large-scale housing and civic infrastructure projects to policy decisions shaping governance and public welfare, from healthcare, water access and urban development to measures promoting sustainability, fiscal discipline and regional growth. Here's a comprehensive look at the key developments driving Maharashtra's transformation. This is Maharashtra 360. A major infrastructure, healthcare and civic development push in Pune as Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated and reviewed multiple public utility projects across the city, with Deputy Chief Minister and Pune Guardian Minister Sunetra Pawar present during several key programs linked to urban infrastructure and public services. The Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister also inaugurated Pune's first cancer hospital developed through a public-private partnership model on municipal land. A project aimed at strengthening affordable and accessible healthcare infrastructure for citizens.
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणात कॅन्सर ग्रिड ही तयार करण्याचा प्रयत्न राज्य सरकारच्या वतीनं सुरू आहे. या कॅन्सर ग्रिडच्या माध्यमातून प्रत्येक व्यक्तीला वेळेत कॅन्सरवरचा आधुनिक आणि दर्जेदार उपचार मोफत मिळाला पाहिजे असा प्रयत्न आपण करतो. या प्रयत्नांमध्ये हे हॉस्पिटल एक अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं कार्य करेल.
In another program, Fadnavis unveiled a 10-foot full-length bronze statue of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj at Sambhaji Maharaj Park on JM Road. Described as Maharashtra's first statue depicting Sambhaji Maharaj composing the Budh Bhushan scripture. Developed as part of a broader effort to preserve historical legacy and cultural identity within urban spaces. Maharashtra's rural housing and welfare push took center stage in Satara as Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated completed homes under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, positioning Maharashtra at the forefront of the country's rural housing transformation. Addressing a large state-level Maha Awas program alongside Union Rural Development Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the CM said that the state government is working with mission mode implementation to ensure that every homeless family in Maharashtra gets access to permanent housing within the next 5 years. Fadnavis said that the initiative is not just about constructing houses, but about improving dignity, social security and quality of life across rural Maharashtra. The program also focused on farmer welfare and women-led economic empowerment, with the Chief Minister announcing that farm loan waiver measures will be implemented before June 30th. In a symbolic push towards fuel conservation and responsible energy use, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis arrived at Mumbai's Vidhan Bhavan on a motorcycle to attend the swearing-in ceremony of newly elected Legislative Council members. The move comes in response to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent appeal for fuel saving and austerity measures amid rising global energy pressures linked to the West Asia situation. Maharashtra's development and governance agenda moved forward with a series of key cabinet decisions taken under the leadership of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, along with Deputy Chief Ministers Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar. The decisions span urban infrastructure, healthcare access, agriculture, environmental management and administrative reforms. The cabinet cleared measures linked to the Mulamutha River Rejuvenation Project, concessions for charitable medical institutions, restructuring in the Soil Conservation Department. A major development push for Pune district as Deputy Chief Minister and Pune Guardian Minister Sunetra Pawar announced a provision of 1,472 crore rupees under the District Planning Committee for 2026-27 financial year. Chairing the first DPC meeting of the year, Pawar said the focus will be on strengthening infrastructure, healthcare, education and tourism-led development across the district. The meeting also reviewed preparedness for a possible below-normal monsoon linked to El Nino conditions, with discussions centered on advanced planning for water supply and drought management. Pune district's annual development allocation has been increased by 93 crore rupees compared to last year. Funds have also been earmarked for spiritual tourism and heritage projects. And those were all the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.